So right now I'm in my CLK55, and in this video we'll be doing a few repairs on it because in 3 weeks I'm driving to Croatia in it, and it needs to be driving and handling well on the road trip and also once we get there. I think a big box of parts just arrived at home, so I'm going there now and I'll show you what I got. Here are the boxes for the refresh on the CLK55, and the first thing I bought was this KW V1 set of coilovers for the car, because after 260,000 kilometers like this car has done, I think a suspension refresh is firstly probably needed, and secondly it will make it handle like new or even better than new. Along with the coilovers, I bought a full set of control arms for the front axle of the car, with new bushings, and they're all from Leemvoerder, which is like the original replacement parts for Mercedes, just without the branding of Mercedes, as I understand. So they should all fit up really nicely. The most important thing about changing these are the bushings on the inside. I'll show you once I go under the car. They're all torn in my CLK and they make a horrible noise. With these, we're supposed to be able to get rid of that horrible noise, and it will handle like new, hopefully, along with the coilovers. We've also got new drop links for either side on the front. They also make like a kind of a knocking sound when you go over uneven bits of road. And the last two things I'll be replacing are these top strut mounts. As I'm changing the suspension, I thought I'd change these as well. And also the track rod ends. First thing I'll be trying to fix on this car isn't any of that though. It's the rear window. On this side, as you see, it goes all the way down, which is what we call beersäulejoch. Very important for summer. And on this side, it doesn't go down any more than that small gap. So it seems I'll have to take this door card, is it a door card? Not really, but that thing off and have a look what's going on. So the window regulator is out now, but I did figure out what went wrong with it, and it's this plastic part here. It somehow wedged the cable, and it also looks like something broke off. So I'll order one of those. Hopefully it comes in the next 2 days, and then I'll put everything back together. It's been a few days, and that small part for the regulator I was talking about still hasn't arrived. But we still need to get on with the CLK, because now it's 2 weeks away from us driving to Croatia, and today we are going to fit our KW suspension and all of the control arms I was talking about. For me, this is a first. I've never fit suspension to any of my cars before, so I hope that goes well. And I managed to rent a space in a garage with a lift for the day that we can use to fit all of these parts. So let's go there now. So it actually looks like it could rain, which is not ideal. I still don't have my rear window in. So I'll be there in about 50 minutes, so let's hope in the next 50 minutes it doesn't start. So this is the place that we rented for the next 12 hours, and I also had a friend and my cousin come and help me to make sure that we got it all done in time. And we've already got some of the control arms down, and my friend Nico also put his CLK on the lift. He is going to be changing his rear brakes. So I quickly wanted to show you the bushings of the old control arms, and they were completely done. The 260,000 kilometers didn't do them any good. So good thing we replaced them. 8 hours later, moment of truth. Oh. Monster truck spec is just water. We definitely still need to do some height adjusting because it's way too high at the moment, but most of the work is already done. To be honest, in the end it was more like a 12-hour shift, but I'm glad it all went well apart from 1 or 2 hiccups. And even if we didn't touch the engine in the slightest, we still have to rev it after fitting new parts. I can also really recommend this garage that we were at. It's in Winterthur, so if you're in surroundings, Zurich, Winterthur, it's called AMW, so come here if you have to do some work on your car yourself.